What's going on, guys? Got a smarthelping.com template for you. So what this is job costing. I try to make something that's super simple, pretty high level, but gives you some nice tracking if you're trying to see how much different jobs cost, who worked what hours on what job, how much was billed, how many hours, and the dollar amount based on billing rates. So the first things first is we have our data entry here, and this goes down like 4,000 rows, but mainly you just enter data in all these light yellow cells here, and based on that, your data is going to populate. You can go down as many as you want. You get 10,000, 50,000. You just need to make sure these two formulas and these four formulas over here are all drugged down. Right now they go to just over 4,000 rows, I think. So just keep that in mind. Um, we've got the date, job ID, crew member, hours billed, their rate, and the total billed. And based on that information, we can do. Oh, and here's the list. So this is going to drive drop down. So so you don't mess up the crew member names and the crew IDs. So there's drop downs for that, and then you can define for each crew member what their hourly rate is. Uh, I left I left a bunch of columns over here in case you have other information you want to track for each job ID. You can do that. So then we've got our summary. So this is going to show you on a weekly basis and a monthly basis how many hours were billed per week. And this is based on the week ending. So the ending week 1/4 or 1/11. And you can change the date in this one and it will update everything. This is by month. So number of hours billed by month. And then you can set a goal here and a goal here for the monthly. This side just does the same thing, but you're looking at total dollars billed. So you got weekly and monthly with that, and you can set a monthly goal. Now the nice part where this comes in is I've built some nice selectors and some charts here, so you can say, well, what if I only want to see what crew one did on job one? Well, they did a little bit of hours here. I could also do what did crew one do, all the members on all jobs. Type in all here, and it'll say, well, I guess I only did that job. I can also type in all, and it will give everything here. You could select a certain crew member and see how they did individually. You could also drill that down even more to a specific job, like how much a crew member did on a specific job. Uh, that's all going to be dynamic based on the data entered here. You can do, we'll set this to all. And then finally, you've got a start and an end date, and you can get the total hours billed and the total dollar billed for any date range. You just put the date in here and it'll give you those values. You can also put how many months were active during that date range, and it'll give you the average hours in dollars per month. So this is not, super complex, but I think just the structure, and any construction company who's not super savvy in Excel can use this at a super high level and just track jobs, billings, and everything over time. I think this is not too hard to use. You can set goals here. Um, the goal line shows up on it dynamically on each one. So yeah, I think super simple, straightforward. You're adjusting cells in light yellow. I'll make a note of that here, and that's all. So if you want this template, it'll be a one-time fee of $45. There's all kinds of customizations you could do to this. Like we could have build new stuff that says, compares each crew over time, or compares each crew member over time in charts. And you could rank people. You could do all kinds of stuff here, but I just try to do a super high level tracker that almost any construction company or any company that's trying to track billable hours in dollar billed over time can see that in some charts. All right, well that's all I got for you. If you want this, go to smarthelping.com. Here, I'll have this up on the site today, and I'll also post it up on Eloquent and Even Models. Have a great one. See you on the next one.